Welcome back to another installment of You're Doing It Wrong, a series about publishing where we lovingly tell you, like a benevolent driver's ed teacher after you've crashed into a ditch, that you're doing it wrong. This week, we're talking about book sales. So buckle up and put those hands at 10 and 2, because we're going for a ride. If you think your book is for everyone, you're doing it wrong. I know your book is amazing, and you know that too. We know that people will love it. But there are just some people that refuse to be cool, and that's okay. The truth is, you don't want everyone to buy your book. You want the people who are going to benefit from it to buy it. People who are outside of your target audience that end up with your book may leave negative reviews or negatively impact your selling process. What you want to do is find your target audience and make sure they get your book, and then they'll help spread it by good reviews and word of mouth. I mean, think about it. If you think cats are the best pet in the world and you end up with a book about how dogs are the best pets in the world, you're probably not going to like that book or the author. Find your cat people. Creating a book is just like creating any other product. It needs to be good. So if you're not hitting the sales numbers you're hoping for, take time to review the editing, formatting, cover design, and market placement of your book. If you find any of these areas to be lacking, be honest. Do yourself a favor and research the appropriate services that you might need to make the best book possible. Pro tip, here at Lulu we have videos covering all of those elements and more, so that is a great place to start. The next thing that may be hurting your book sales is not publishing in multiple formats. So you publish your book. Congratulations, you've got a paperback out there. But why stop there? You could do hardcover, paperback, audio, and ebook. And each one of those formats is going to open you up to new audiences. This can also allow you to sell items at different price points, making your work more accessible to more people. If you only have your book available on one sales channel, you're doing it wrong. Just like different formats can attract different readers, different sales channels can open you up to different audiences as well. So you want to make sure that your book is everywhere your readers are. This is often called going wide in the publishing industry, and again, just means that your book is available on as many channels as possible. So sell it through Lulu, sell it through Amazon and Ingram and Barnes & Noble, sell it through iBooks, Kobo, Libri. Just be where your readers are, man. And while you're going wide, don't forget to go direct. Having a direct sales option just means that you have a way to sell your books directly through your own website and connect with your audience. So if you're not sure how to do that, you're in the right place. Lulu has a way to help. Our direct sales solution is called Lulu Direct. And with Lulu Direct, you can earn more revenue per sale, get paid instantly, take advantage of white label shipping, collect customer data, and never have to worry about inventory because your orders are automatically printed and fulfilled. I'm glad we had this talk. Hopefully, by righting some of these wrongs, you'll be hitting your sales goals in no time. What did we miss? Have you tried any of these suggestions? Let us know in the comments below, hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.